Not very good race car noises. Check out our MEGAZILLA. So, this week's update, I was going to show you guys everything that we got done this week so far. Our Holly high mount kit is on and all done, thanks to Brad over at Fayhee Motorsports. Things that will be changing on this is going to be fuel rails, intake manifold, and injectors. So we're going to swap those out, put some bigger injectors in it. Holly's low profile aluminum intake manifold, and same with some Holly fuel rails. Otherwise, this motor engine is ready to go. This has a GT500 throttle body on it. We put a J&S alternator on it. It's a 320 amp alternator, I believe. The only thing that actually is a big thing that we gotta do is I have the Power Steering Solutions belt driven pump. So this is going to have to, we took off the original power steering pump off of the engine. Now we are going to have to scan this and build it into the model and make either some brackets or a CNC piece of billet aluminum, figure out what it is. I did, Charlie over at Power Steering Solutions got me the hub adapter. So this is what tightens on, and then you put your pulley and bolt it onto that. And it's going to live as close as possible, but probably about in this area. It's going to be a tight fit, but we'll make it work. So we got that here. As for the chassis, hopefully this is the only time that this thing will ever be upside down, is right now. Jeff has been going through, we finished rooting everything that was on the bottom from the fixture table that we couldn't reach. Everything is rooted. He is now in the process of cat passing everything. He's done a lot of just gorgeous welds. Some stuff's still rooted, some stuff's cat, but all the joints and everything are just looking beautiful. So, you know, he's having to jump around a lot still. So do section here, section there, jumps back and forth. Sorry if it's a little loud in here. It is absolutely downpouring outside, which we need it a lot. But we got some new updates besides this stuff, something new to look at. Cory, and about 900 thin wheels later, got the cab is cut up. It's on the lift right now. He got the whole firewall done. I mean, you can see it is all gone. Obviously, there's still going to be a lot more trimming to do, because, you know, these trucks, they're basically like a double panel. So there's an outer panel and an inner skinner panel. And you can see it actually comes off of, you lose a lot of area, and our cage is going to be very tight. So there'll be a lot of trimming up here. There'll be a ton more trimming. It's going to be a lot of on, off until we get everything trimmed and fitting really nice, because we don't want to like have giant gaps and have to make a filler panel, at least much as we can mitigate on that. Otherwise, we're moving right along on this truck and things are going good. The boys are killing it. Pretty solid week so far. There will be our next podcast video will be up next week, probably maybe the weekend or some point in time. Not sure what day yet. But John will be gone on vacation again. Always leaving on vacation. So there won't be a weekly update video next week, but you guys will get the podcast video. We got a little bit more in depth about some of the hardships and difficulty of running a business and some other things about that. And please go give that a like, a follow, a watch, and stay tuned.